Hey YouTube, what's up? This video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a little tutorial, if you want to call it that, on how to add custom art cards like ORICAs to DevPro. What you need to do is you got to have the card image as itself, the card you want. Now mind you, these are just ORICA's artworks, whatever you want to call them, of already legal made cards. Adding actual custom cards, that is not something I'm able to help with. I've tried before and I can't do it. But what you have to do is you make the card and you save it as the image, the card number. See how each of these are different? You have to save them as the code that is found in the bottom left corner. And go from there. But if there are certain cards that start with 0, you just start from the first number that isn't a 0. And then go from there. Then what you do is you save the card in a specific spot, like a folder for pictures or anything like that. And then when you get all the ORICAs you want to set them to a certain size. Normally it's 177 by 247. That is the standard size of cards on DevPro, not the thumbnails you see, the standard size. And then you move it to your DevPro folder. You go to your pictures and you click and drag. Like, for instance, we'll move this emergency call. I mean, I already have it on there, but you just click, drag, and hit move and replace. So replace the old hero emergency call. And then after you're done with that, you want to have 2 copies of the card. One 177 by 247 and the other 44 by 61. This is your thumbnail size. This will be the image you see when you're scrolling through a list of cards. Now what you do with them is you go to your picture folder and you go to thumbnail, and we'll just use eCall again, move and replace. Simple as that. I mean, it's not hard, but it is time consuming making ORICAs, especially with how many? There are 7,374 cards in this folder alone. So, if you plan on doing every single one of them, I wish you luck. And it's very, very hard to find good images of every card. But anyway, I feel that this explanation did more than enough. Now, I will show you how they look on DevPro. Just have to give it a minute. Stupid thing, slow as hell. Ah, there we go. Now see how Valor looks? Trade-in, Dark Hole, MST, Lance. I mean, it's not hard to do. I personally am starting to like these images more than your standard images, because half the monsters already know their effects, so I just need the level, attribute, and stats. But this is where I will let you guys go, and I will hit you up later.